Okay, everyone. In this one, we're going to talk about your traditional three-way, what you do when you're wiring homes, doing remodels. You have access to pull wires, fish walls. So your traditional three-way, you have power in one box and your switch leg in the other box. So in this case, we tie our neutrals together like normal. Wants to give me a hard time. So our neutrals are tied together. We put those in the back of the box. So we don't have to think about the neutrals anymore. So we're left with our travelers, which, same as earlier, go on the traveler screws, these two silver. So, traveler there. Traveler there. And our switch leg goes on the black screw. And we can push that into the box. Now over here, we have our neutrals, white. We can tie those together just like normal. Always twist our connections together. Wire not there. Push that in the back of the box. We have our ground, which we pigtail. I'm just going to twist that together for the sake of the video. We have our power. That'll go on the black screw. And our travelers. These are the wires coming through here. Switch to switch. So, traveler on a gold screw. Doesn't matter which one you put it on. Flip it. Other traveler. It's not really in the video right now. So we have a traveler on our gold screw. Traveler on our gold screw. Power on the black screw. Now we can fold this up nicely in the box. Now we'll give that a try. Outside switch, light turns on and off. Inside switch. And that's how you do a traditional three-way switch.